In this AutoCAD tip, we will see a quick and easy way to export your current drawing as PDF. So first, make sure that you have all the objects that you want to export in your drawing. So in my case here, I want to render some objects transparent. So I'm going to select them right here, hit Ctrl 1, and in the transparency field, I'm going to enter 90%. So as you can see here, these specific objects are now transparent. The next thing to do is to type in the command line plot, enter, and in here under printer/plotter, I'm going to select AutoCAD high quality print in PDF. And you have other parameters to adjust here. So you can adjust the paper size, offset the origin, and you have multiple options here. In my case, I'll make sure to select the plot transparency to make sure that these objects here are transparent, and leave it in landscape mode. Hit OK, save it on your desktop, and there you have it, your drawing exported in PDF. Thank you for watching.